Building your LinkedIn network. In today's interconnected professional landscape, building a strong network is a fundamental aspect of success. LinkedIn, the world's leading professional networking platform, offers unparalleled opportunities to connect, engage, and collaborate with professionals from various industries and backgrounds. Chapter 2 will guide you through the strategies and techniques to build a robust LinkedIn network that can fuel your business growth, expand your knowledge base, and open doors to exciting professional opportunities. Connecting with colleagues and peers. Your professional network is an extension of your real-life relationships, and LinkedIn provides a platform to strengthen and expand those connections. Whether they are current or former colleagues, classmates, or acquaintances, connecting with them on LinkedIn allows you to stay connected and tap into their professional expertise. By employing effective strategies to connect with colleagues and peers, you can cultivate a network that reflects your real-world relationships. When it comes to connecting with colleagues and peers on LinkedIn, there are several key strategies you can implement to build and enhance your network. Import contacts. LinkedIn offers the option to import your contacts from various email providers. By importing your contacts, you can quickly find and connect with colleagues, classmates, and professional acquaintances, expanding your network efficiently. This feature saves you time and ensures that you don't overlook potential connections. Personalized connection requests. Sending personalized connection requests is vital to establishing meaningful connections. Take the time to customize each request, mentioning how you know the person or why you would like to connect. A personalized message shows that you value the relationship and increases the likelihood of acceptance. It helps you stand out from generic connection requests and sets the foundation for a more authentic connection. Engage with current and former colleagues. Seek out current and former colleagues on LinkedIn and connect with them. Engage with their posts, congratulate them on professional milestones, and maintain an active presence within your professional circle. These interactions contribute to strengthening relationships and expanding your network's reach. By engaging with their content, you demonstrate your support and interest in their professional endeavors, fostering a sense of camaraderie. Attend industry events and conferences. LinkedIn is not limited to online connections alone. If you attend industry events or conferences, make an effort to connect with fellow attendees on LinkedIn. By forging connections with individuals you meet in person, you solidify the relationship and can continue engaging beyond the event. Attendees of industry events often share common interests and goals, making them valuable additions to your network. Participate in alumni networks. Many educational institutions have dedicated alumni groups on LinkedIn. Joining these groups enables you to connect with fellow alumni, engage in discussions, and tap into a network of professionals who share a common educational background. Alumni connections often provide a strong foundation for professional collaboration and opportunities. By leveraging your alma mater's network, you can establish connections based on shared experiences and create meaningful relationships. Building a network of colleagues and peers on LinkedIn is not merely about accumulating connections, it is about nurturing relationships and fostering a supportive community. By actively engaging with your connections, staying connected with current and former colleagues, and leveraging in-person events and alumni networks, you can develop a robust professional network that serves as a valuable resource throughout your career journey. Engaging with industry influencers and thought leaders. LinkedIn offers a unique opportunity to connect and engage with influential figures and thought leaders within your industry. These individuals possess a wealth of knowledge, share valuable insights, and shape industry conversations. By actively engaging with industry influencers, you can expand your own knowledge, gain visibility, and tap into their networks. To effectively engage with industry influencers and thought leaders on LinkedIn, consider the following strategies. Follow influencers. Identify prominent figures in your industry and follow them on LinkedIn. Influencers often share valuable insights, industry news, and thought-provoking content. By following them, you can stay informed, gain inspiration, and enhance your own content creation. Additionally, their posts may spark discussions and provide opportunities for meaningful engagement. Engage with influencer content. Regularly engage with the content shared by influencers. like, comment, and share their posts to show your support and contribute to the conversation. Thoughtful engagement helps you build relationships and increases your visibility within their networks. When commenting, provide insights or ask thoughtful questions that demonstrate your knowledge and genuine interest in the topic. Contribute to discussions. Actively participate in discussions within LinkedIn groups, posts, and articles. Share your expertise, ask questions, and provide valuable insights. Meaningful participation in discussions allows you to showcase your industry knowledge, establish yourself as a thought leader, and attract the attention of industry influencers. Engaging in discussions fosters connections with like-minded professionals and expands your network beyond direct connections. Collaborate on content. Seek opportunities to collaborate with industry influencers and thought leaders on content creation. This could include co-authoring articles, participating in podcasts, or being featured in interviews. Collaborative content allows you to tap into their audience and expand your reach. It also positions you as an expert in your field and provides credibility through association with influential figures. Attend webinars and virtual events. Many industry influencers and thought leaders host webinars and virtual events on LinkedIn. Participate in these events, ask questions, and connect with attendees. It's an excellent opportunity to learn, network, and establish connections with influential individuals. By actively engaging in these virtual events, you can gain insights, make valuable connections, and contribute to the professional conversations happening within your industry. Engaging with industry influencers and thought leaders requires a proactive approach. By following influencers, engaging with their content, participating in discussions, collaborating on content, and attending virtual events, you position yourself as a knowledgeable and engaged professional within your industry. These engagements can lead to opportunities for mentorship, collaboration, and exposure to new ideas and trends.